can't zoom it anymore. Where's Owen? Oh, God.
He's currently third.
Yeah, got him now. He's coming closer.
He's got it sideways.
Oh, put the glasses on. Oh, yep. Get to about there and then you lose her. Oh, shit. Whoops. Bit of smoke coming out. Look, bit of oil.
No, there's something not right there. Just turning on the exhaust, isn't it?
Whoa! What is it, Gary, do you think? What do you think the oil is?
It's just, Brian says it's just oil coming out of the power steering rope.
Oh, yes, that's okay.
Ed 2 and 3 in the race, see?
Oh. It's only when you go through that corner as well, isn't it?